My name is Tara Grambo, and I am a third year emerging technology and business and design student. I was inspired to learn about artificial intelligence and how it is used in the field of art after learning about it initially in my architecture class with Morali. With my previous knowledge in app design and wireframing, I knew that I could create an app from research and knowledge. This is the point when Gigi and I started to become partners because we were both interested in the same topic.
My name is Gigi Elter, and I am a third year architecture major. I was also inspired by AI designs, and I wanted to learn more about how it affected the design world as well as the process. I wanted to show the importance of credibility within our project somehow because I felt that it was significant importance for designers.
So our first case study um, is from the Smithsonian, and the magazine discussed the copyright ability for AI created work. The US Copyright Office rejected the request for an art piece that was generated by AI, and they ruled it as, quote, lacks the human authorship necessary to support copyright claim. This decision was declared in 2019 and it was reevaluated again in 2022.
Ryan Abbott, the creator of the arts attorney, said, "We disagree with the Copyright Office's decision and plan to appeal. AI is able to make functionally creative output in the absence of a traditional human author, and protecting AI generated works with copyright is vital to promoting the production of socially valuable content. The law doesn't explicitly outline rules for non humans, but after multiple case losses have led me to believe that non-human created work is ineligible for copyright protection."
So, our second case study was from The Verge, and it discusses the lawsuit launched against the Stability AI program and Midjourney, the creators of AI art generators Stable Diffusion and Midjourney, as well as the artist portfolio platform Deviant Art that has the AI generator Dream Up by three artists, Sarah Anderson, Kelly McKernana, and Carla Ortiz. These artists claim that these generators are trained by scraping the internet of art without consent from the artists. They believe that there is a way to make AI a tool that can be fair and ethical to all, but artists should be recognized for their art if the generators are going to use it. So for our third case study, it was also done by The Verge, and it discusses Holly Mengert's art case. Her style of art was cloned in an AI experiment where intelligence machines were trained to reproduce her style of art after studying her previous pieces. Unfortunately, at this time, there's nothing that Holly can do about this. Her exact art style is being regenerated and replicated in a very similar fashion, and since it was created by a computer and not by a human, lawsuits against it are doomed to fail.
For our thesis question, we asked, how can AI affect designers' credibility and designs? We looked into many articles about the research of AI and the full capabilities of itself within the art world. We wanted to recognize artists for their work as well as give them the credit that they deserve. It was important to research AI because it allowed for us to expand our thought process with how we perceive the design world.
At the beginning of the project, the research was successful, but we felt that we needed more to the project itself in order for it to be effective. This is when we came up with the idea of creating an app for designers to use to publish their work. We then felt that it was a bit generic because there was already apps like that. The idea of giving designers accurate praise and credit became because of research on how copyright of work has been a big issue within the design community. After this, we decided to create an app where designers were able to show their work with copyrights and ownership online so that there is no way that someone can steal their work. People who want to be inspired by the designers are able to use their work as inspiration and create boards that are fit just to their design taste.
In the design, we are using Figma to expand on the idea of allowing artists to get the credit that they deserve for the work they create. This is important in the world because there are a lot of issues with copyright problems, and people can steal other people's designs and get praised for it rather than the original artist. The app that we are creating provides a safe place for artists to post their work and have it be appreciated and used as inspiration for their own designs. They're able to post their work and show their creativity to the community on the app. After revisiting the thesis question, I believe that we were very successful in fulfilling our initial goals. We have learned about AI, copyright, and copyright infringement, artists' personal stories with AI in their art, AI software catered to ending copying, and a wireframing software that let us build our concept into an app that would solve the problem in the design world. After completing this project, I appreciate individualism and I also appreciate the growth of technology.